Before installing the RaceChip, please wait for the vehicle's engine to cool down. Put the parking brake on. If equipped, please disable the vehicle's alarm system. Open the vehicle's hood. Roll up the vehicle's windows. Close the vehicle's doors. Lock the vehicle. Move the vehicle's key 30 feet 10 meters away from the vehicle. Wait 10 minutes before starting the installation. This will allow the remaining electricity to leave the vehicle. Remove the engine cover and place it next to the car. You may have to jiggle the cover slightly to release it from the holding clips. Remove and take off the cover and the air intake duct. Carefully lift the expanding clips and remove them. Detach the air duct from the air filter box and remove it completely. Carefully loosen and remove the rubber seal. Loosen the quarter-turn fasteners and expanding clips on the plastic bulkhead cover and remove the cover. Loosen the screws on the control unit. Then disconnect the wiring harness bracket next to the air filter box and unplug the connector on the pressure sensor. After that, carefully place the control unit to the side. Now loosen the fastening of the air filter housing. Open the retaining clips and remove the entire component. Continue with sensor A, the boost pressure sensor. This is located behind the water hose, close to the bulkhead. Plug the connector of wiring harness side A onto the sensor. Then connect the opposite side to the engine side sensor connector. Sensor B, the intake manifold pressure sensor. It is located in the center of the intake manifold. Unlock the connector, then plug wiring harness side B onto the sensor. Here as well, connect the opposite side to the engine side sensor connector. Sensor C, the camshaft sensor. It is located to the right of the oil filler neck. Plug the connector of wiring harness side C onto the sensor. And connect the opposite side to the engine side sensor connector. Sensor D, the second boost pressure sensor. Release the intake pipe toward the turbocharger at the locking tab and remove it. It is located between the engine and the bulkhead. Plug the connector of wiring harness side D onto the sensor and connect the opposite side to the engine side sensor connector. Then reinstall all components in reverse order. Finally, pull off the dummy plug and connect it to the RaceChip module. If desired, insert the mounting clips on the back of the RaceChip module. Cable ties can be routed horizontally or vertically to secure the module properly. Fasten the RaceChip module and RaceChip wiring securely in the engine bay. Make sure that all components are mounted away from heat sources or moving parts. With the ignition switched on, the display shows readiness for operation, as well as the currently selected mapping.